they should be able to loud. Vicky, look this way and concentrate. And they should be able to tell you what they're like. Tell us what your name is. You're going to walk forward on your toes, give me a lovely curtsy and tell all the mummies and daddies what your name is. Okay, so first line, hold your skirts. Hold your skirts. Now you speak very clearly or they won't be able to hear you, will they?
Centre practice. Head exercise.
What do you think? Okay, off you go, Oliver. Now, run. Stay there. Stand your toes. Next one, out. Lift your head up, Stephanie. Point to the moon. Good girl. Out. Come on. That's a lovely, that's a beautiful, good girl.
can't give him my key, so I leave it to the socket for the other girls at school. Hell no, I looked for him that night. I tried in one of the stars and cried.
You're allowed to clap now because that's the end. And now the start of our angelic choir.
Switch video on then. That's it. Press play then.